Hi everyone! My name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers size chart widget to your Strikingly website. A size chart widget helps visitors check measurements more easily, which is especially useful for products like clothing, shoes, or accessories. So let's get started. First, go to your Poppers dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets from the left sidebar, and then click Create New Widget. Now search for Size Chart in the widget library and open it. Once the widget editor opens, you'll see the preview on the right side and the settings on the left side. In the Data tab, you can select different templates. You can change the title and subtitle in the header section. In the footer section, you can also update the disclaimer text. In the measurement table, you can edit the table values and add new rows as needed. Next, go to the Templates tab. Here, you can choose different template styles. Then go to the Trigger Button section. Here, you can change the button text and icon and also upload a custom icon. Next, open the Style tab. In Appearance, you can change the primary color and typography. In Configuration, you can enable or disable the Show Toggle Unit option. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After that, the installation code will appear. Copy the code and go to your Strikingly site editor. Inside the editor, add a Embed App block and add HTML, then paste the installation code into it. After that, save your changes and publish the site. Once your website is live, refresh the page and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.